Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the compressor safe. Disconnect power, open the drain valve, and confirm pressure reads 0. Once done, drain the oil into a suitable container and remove the intake filter and belts to reduce load. Make sure to unbolt guards and covers in a systematic pattern. Label hoses, fittings, and electrical connectors as you go. Taking photos helps you remember hose routing and wire positions. Work methodically, so the core components will be accessible for inspection and replacement. Once you have access, remove the cylinder head and inspect the valves, piston crowns, rings, and cylinder walls for scoring or heat damage. You should measure piston ring end gap and bore diameter. If tolerances exceed spec, replace the piston or rebore the cylinder. Replace worn valve seats, gaskets, and O-rings to restore compression. Clean oil passages and replace the oil and air filters. Make sure check valves seal tightly. A leaking check valve ruins pressure recovery and reduces efficiency. You reassemble using new gaskets and proper torque sequence. Tighten fasteners to manufacturer specs to prevent warping. Once assembled, refill with recommended oil, reinstall the intake filter, and restore power for a cautious start. Run the compressor through a test cycle to ensure it reaches near cutout pressure and holds for several minutes. If you encounter persistent leaks, low compression, or overheating, immediately stop, isolate the unit, and inspect valve seats, regulator settings, and the safety relief valve. Those are the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.